What's up guys, this is Jared Cole. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Beast Muscle. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys what supplements to use as a bodybuilder to build muscle and strength. So first of all, we're going to start off with the number one supplement that I recommend, that is protein. Take this every day before your workouts or after, it doesn't matter, but as long as you take it, because let's say you're working out and it tears down the muscle tissues and the muscle fiber, and it tears it down. And so what you need is protein, which is in most meat, beans, and rice, other things like that. It's also in nuts. It's in, you can buy protein powder at the store to build up the muscle mass back. And so that's the number one that I would recommend as a bodybuilder. Number two would be creatine. And so what creatine does, it gives you energy. It gives you more. This is what the professional athletes use, like let's say like football players, I don't know, and all those players, they use this to train harder, which makes them obviously burn more muscle so you can build it back more muscle. So very important, which leads to more gains. So that is another important one to use. I use creatine pills. I do those before every workout. Another one is branched chain amino acids, which is BCAAs. You can get these on Amazon. It has been shown to aid muscle growth and recovery. So this is a good one. It's like repairs your muscle. So there you have it guys. Those are all the supplements I recommend you take. Now let's talk a little bit about some things you can do as a bodybuilder. What I do is I take an ice bath every day. I take a 1-minute ice bath every day. You can do up to I think 15 minutes. It's gotta be ice cold. And so what it does, after a really long hard workout, your muscles are all tense, they're all sore and worn out. You jump in there, sit in there for a minute. I do a minute to 5 minutes every single day. You get out and you just feel so much better. It feels like you had a whole night of sleep or something. It's super cool how that works, so definitely recommend trying that out. So there you go guys. Hopefully this was useful to you. If it was, make sure to comment down below what you want me to do next. Also get my merch down in the description down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.